your living and the dining area, the massive living. Once you enter, you can have a look at the kitchen area. Even this bedroom has much more space where you can add up the couch. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Asset Mizumi Reserve, which is located bang on Harlow Road in Kudlu, Bangalore, and this project is developed by Asset Group. And today we are here to do the sample flat tour. But before starting, I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom read guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now, I'm standing on the land parcel and this is the marketing office of our project. And the land parcel is right over here. Now let's discuss about the project overview. Asset Mizumi Reserve is a township project spread across 80 acres. Now currently they have opened with phase 1 with 5 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 22 floors, having exclusive 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of grand clubhouse, other amenities like of gymnasium, kids play area, temperature control pool, open working space, pets park and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located bang on Parappana Agrahara main road near to Harlow main road in Kudlu, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this will be the main entrance bang on Parappana Agrahara main road. So this is the Parappana Agrahara main road. This road will connect you towards Electronic City flyover and this road will take you towards Harlow main road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So Kudlu Gate Metro Station is 5 minutes away from the project. Hosa Road Metro Station is 7 minutes away from the project. Outer Ring Road is 15 minutes away and you can connect to Electronic City within 20 minutes from the project. This is a 3 BHK model flat of 2,165 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So this is the main entrance of your house, and once you enter, you can have a look. This is the forward area provided for your privacy. And here's your living and the dining area, the massive living and dining area, the spacious one. So you can have a look at the beautiful interior work done for your reference with the sofa set, the couches. You can add up your TV unit right over here. And one more point, the balcony, the deck area, which is attached to your living area. Once you have a look from that corner, you can just check out how spacious it looks. Once you open this balcony, it's much more spacious for you. And now, this is your spacious deck area. Comes with anti-skid flooring, half-wall structure, which gives you two-side open view. And even you can have a look, they have added up the dining table over here, the couches, so you can have your own decors. Now let's move further towards your dining area, and right over here is your dining area. You can easily set your huge dining table, and even you can add up your own decors right over here. And this is a kitchen area, and even they have given you the serving access, which is easier and accessible for your dining table. And now this is the entrance for your kitchen area. Once you enter, you can have a look at the kitchen area with the platforms over here, the cabinets, and they have the utility area which is enclosed, divided via tile drop. Utility area comes with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Flooring, this is anti-skid flooring over here. The provision for your machines as well. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So for that, you need to take this passage area. And on my right hand side is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look at the flooring, the wooden flooring over here. Here's the bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the wardrobe space which is tucked inside. You can add up your study table, your work table, or else your own decor as you want. Now about your next bedroom, but before that let me show you the common washroom which is placed right over here. With anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So your bedroom number 2 is on my right hand side. So let's enter towards your bedroom number 2, and once you enter you can have a look at the flooring again, the wooden flooring, the bed space right over here. This is your window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Your wardrobe space which is tucked inside again. And this bedroom comes with attached washroom as well. So here's the attached washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now right exactly in front of this bedroom is your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now let's enter towards your master bedroom. So once you enter, again here's the wooden flooring. So all the 3 bedrooms are provided with the wooden flooring. The bed space right in the center of the house. TV unit space is over here. This bedroom comes with a private balcony. This balcony will give you 2-side open view with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will give you 2-side open view. Even this bedroom has much more space where you can add up the couch area, your work table, even the TV unit space. So this is the TV unit space. About the wardrobe space. So yes, they have the walk-in wardrobe. Here's the walk-in wardrobe with attached washroom, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now as you all know, we are here in Kudlu location. Have you checked another project in Kudlu? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.